Just another rainy day, but the sun shines on my face. 'Cause we made plans to meet for lunch and chase the clouds away. I'm as happy as a puppy dog with no real cares at all. 'Cause I found the one for me to share my hopes and dreams. I'm in love, and it's written all over my face. It's in everything I do, and I'm not too proud to say that joy began the day that I met you. 'Cause I was lost down in the rain, cold and all alone. Here I am, loving you is like walking between raindrops and not getting wet. Nothing can touch me, nothing can hold me. Oh no. Loving you is closer than thunder to lightning. When I'm with you, nothing can harm me. With your loving arms around me, time feels like it's standing still, but the clock says it's 1:45. 5 hours after we started to talk and play and laugh. Oh well, I've got no place to be. I'm so glad you're here with me. The whole world could end today, but life would be complete. 'Cause I'm in love, and it's written all over my face. It's in everything I do. I'm not too proud to say that joy began the day that I met you. 'Cause I was lost out in the rain, cold and all alone. But here I am, loving you. It's like walking between raindrops and not getting wet. Nothing can touch me, nothing can hold me. Oh no. Loving you is closer than thunder to lightning. When I'm with you, nothing can harm me. With your loving arms around me, loving you, baby. Loving you is so easy. Loving you, loving you. It's the easiest thing I have to do this morning, baby. True love with a young and ageless heart. It's got to be the best thing, the very best thing by far. To feel invincible, but know what really matters. I hope this moment will last forever. 'Cause here I am,
loving you. It's like walking between raindrops
and not getting wet.
Loving you is closer than thunder to lightning.
How close is that, baby? Let me tell you, girl.
Loving you is like walking between raindrops.
Oh, baby, don't you know?
Loving you is closer than thunder